Welcome! In this video, we'll introduce you to the Linked Items feature and show you how to use it to create connections between different elements in your InLoox projects. You can link elements in nearly all areas within a project, such as on the Manage page, in individual tasks, in mind map nodes, documents, financial plans and budget line items, and so on. The purpose of this feature is to connect related content so you can navigate to relevant information faster and more efficiently. Let's take a look at a few practical examples to show you how it works. Example 1. Linking a task with a checklist. You've created a checklist for a specific task. You can link that checklist directly within the task by clicking Add Links under Linked Items. In the Lists section, you'll see all available checklists from the current project. Simply select the one you want. With one click on the green arrow, you can jump straight from the task to the linked checklist. Example 2. Linking a task to another project. Imagine you have a project for your OKRs with a specific task like increase visibility on LinkedIn. However, all LinkedIn-related activities are managed in a separate project. To create a reference and navigate quickly between the two, simply link the task to the other project by clicking Add Link and selecting the project from the list. If you want to go one step further, you can link directly to specific tasks from the other project. Just enter the name of the task in the search field. Important! Make sure to activate the Global Search toggle to include results from outside the current project. You can link as many elements as you like. And with just one click on the arrow icon, you can jump straight to the linked item. You can establish such connections with various elements in InLoox. Just try it out for yourself. You can find more guides on this and other topics on our website at inloox.com. See you next time!